Come gather round, Miss Martha's got a story. Can't wait to hear where it all might take us this time. Everyone knows that treasure lies inside these pages. We wanna be
hanging out with stories.
Everybody wants to be there when Miss Martha reads.
Support comes from Norfolk Collegiate, providing a foundation for students pre-K to 5th grade, where innovative, student-driven farm-to-table initiatives, engaging experiences, and daily in-person instruction are just the beginning. More at norfolkcollegiate.org.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Miss Martha Reads. I'm Miss Martha, and on today's special episode, I'm at the Brock Environmental Center in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We have a special guest with us today, my friend Pam Northam, First Lady of Virginia. Say hello, Pam.
Well, hello, Miss Martha. Hello to all the friends out there. I'm so happy to be with you today because you know I love to read and I love your stories.
Now, we have an amazing story for you today from our PBS Kids Writers Contest. And the title of today's story is Splash Mermaddy. It was written by Madison Stacy, a first grader who attends Corporate Landing Elementary School in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Let's put on our good listening ears. Click, click, as we find out about Mermaddy.
So exciting.
One day, I was walking on the beach with my sea friends, cleaning up trash from the beach. I decided to swim in the seawater.
I was swimming for a while when I felt something tickling my legs. I looked down and saw I had a tail. Then I felt both sides of my neck. It was bumpy. Guess what? I had gills.
I swam deeper into the sea and saw little fishies.
Then I saw two mermaids. One had red hair and a green tail. One had brown hair with blonde streaks and a purple tail.
They were swimming to me and said, "Hello, how are you? What's your name?" "Hi, I'm fine." Well, my name is Madison, but now I'm a mermaid. I guess I'm Mermaddy. "What's your guy's name?" I asked.
The red-headed mermaid said, "I'm Pacifica, and she's Princess Persephone." I asked, "Did you turn me into a mermaid?" And they said, "Yes." So I asked, "Why?" Persephone said, "Because we do not have many friends to play with. We saw you being really nice to our sea friends, cleaning up and giving them lots of love. So, would you be our friend?"
And I said, "Yes, of course."
The end.
The end. Oh, what a wonderful story. And I would like to just give a big thank you to my friend, Miss Pam. And you know what, Miss Pam? Since we are now new friends, I'm going to give you a Martha Reeves hen.
Oh, Miss Martha, thank you so much. You have been my superhero. All of my friends love listening to your wonderful stories.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate all that you've done. And you know, I have another story about another mermaid and her friends that your friends might like to read after reading this terrific story by our friend Madison.
Yes.
It's called Una.
Wonderful. Now, friends, I always have to remind you to practice, practice, practice your reading every single day to exercise your brain, because I want you to be the best reader that you can be. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope that I'll see you the next time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.
Support comes from Norfolk Collegiate, making your child's educational experience a great one through student-driven initiatives, unique spaces, and daily in-person instruction. More at norfolkcollegiate.org. It's the school with the hens.